Okay, y'all, it's Privateer. Update on the shed and all the stuff I've been doing in here. I got those shelves put in right there. Yeah, I know it's a small space, but in there it is. I can slide my sandpaper and stuff like that in those spots there. That's the shelf you saw before. I built that shelf and that shelf the other day. That 4x4 that you see right there, that actually came out of my yard. I totally didn't even realize it was back there. It was covered in vines, but it is solid. And with this new setup, I got a considerable amount more space in here. Probably will put some kind of shelving across here eventually. Not real sure just yet. But this is the setup. Got my ropes and my extension cords and all that over there. All lawn equipment, lawn tools, all that way. And I'm kind of considering whether or not to trim this down, shrink it up just a little bit. But in the meantime, it's holding, the other wood that I still have that I haven't used yet. Plus my table saw under there and a couple of drawers that came from the neighbor when they were doing their tear out of their cabinets. Anyway, it's Privateer. Y'all have a blessed day.